How to make your transactions private on Venmo. Welcome back everyone to Housegenic. If you're worried that your transactions may not be private and are visible to other people online, let me show you a quick step that you can do in order to make these transactions private. If this is something that you want to learn, make sure you stick along and then let's get right into it. Now, whenever you make a payment or request a payment to anyone, you can normally see the screen, and on the bottom right of the screen, you'll have the option called private. Now, for most people and by default, every transaction is private. But for you, if it is different, if it says friends or public, you can easily tap on this option on the bottom right and make this particular payment private. Now, other than this, what you can also do, apart from making each transaction private, you can do it as a whole on the settings page. From the Me page of the Venmo app on the bottom right, head over to the settings option on the top right. Inside of settings under preferences, you'll be able to see a section called privacy. Just tap on the privacy option. Inside of the privacy settings, the first option you'll see is default privacy settings. And as I said, there are three options: the private, friends, and public. By default, everyone's account will be made private, but if it is different for you and if yours is selected to friends or public, you can easily tap on the private option on the bottom. This way, every transaction that you make will be made private by default. Private meaning you and the sender or the receiver will only be able to see these payments or transactions that have been made. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.